Hey guys, today I would like to show you the oven by Plugin Alliance. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. I'm going to set my burn types at the mids and the tops to B. We'll leave the lows at A. We'll enable stereo width. Set that to 110%. We'll use just 70% from this parallel dial. And we're going to adjust our sizzle type to B, and we'll set our sizzle to 2.5 or thereof. Push our mids +1, same for the highs, and we'll set the lows to 0.5. On the cook side, we'll set that to gas, we'll leave it at bake, set that to 2, and we'll set the cook dial to 2.5. Leave the stereo mode at analog, and we're ready to listen to it. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.